and become one of us. Yes, become one of us. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Hello sparkly people of the internets, and hi if you're new here. I want to let you know what I do here. I am not a one-stop shop YouTube channel. I guess that's how you would put that. Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I do a multitude of things. I like Halloween, so a lot of my stuff will be geared towards Halloween. I craft, which is another thing a lot of my things will be geared towards, and I do vlogs every once in a while. So like when we take a trip to go somewhere, I will vlog it, or if we're just out on the weekend and we're having fun, I'm more likely to vlog it. So I do everything in between all that. Anything I find interesting, I'm most likely going to put it on my channel because I find it interesting. Maybe somebody out there might find it interesting, if I can speak. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already and become one of us. Yes, become one of us. Today, I have a DIY or a boo it yourself on these that I hauled in my last video from when Michaels first started putting out their Halloween stuff, which is funny because I went to look at Halloweens and this is not Halloween, but I'm gonna make it Halloween. So my first DIY, boo it yourself, is now. I have no idea exactly what I'm gonna do with this. I like the idea of it being white, but it's like an off-white. It's not like white, and this is white, like stark white. Gloss white, and I think what I'm gonna do is sand and repaint this. I gotta take this paper off. I have determined that it is paper, and then I gotta cut out vinyl for these, I think, because hand painting these that's just not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. So that's what I got. So I have white, orange, black. So we'll see how this goes. Let's jump right on into it. It looks like crap. And my hands are shaking. Ooh, yeah, perfect. Gotta love auto body thing. $4. Ten out of 10, do not recommend. Ooh, you know what I could do? I'm just gonna do freaking bats. Now that I've officially made a mess here. I found one bat. And I found my hole punch. Thought maybe I could try that out. Oh, shoot. I'm trying to determine if I wanted to put these in there. I want to. Because it's me and it's glitter. Oh my god, how cute. Oh, look how cute. Okay, I'm gonna make more of these bats. Oh my, do I feel like it? Might be bigger than that one. No, it's different. Yeah, it's big. That's okay. He's still cute. So what I ended up doing was taking polyfill and filling the inside of the van. Then taking these pumpkins I got from the Dollar Tree, I hauled them in a video, I'll tag here, and cutting the sticks off. I tried putting them in the van and it was still not enough in there, so I added more polyfill and then covered that polyfill with a paper towel and kind of tucking it into the sides. Then took this straw bale here from the Dollar Tree and dusted it on top to make it look full. Then I placed the pumpkins on top and rearranged them to how I liked. I thought about hot gluing them down, but I didn't like the idea because I wanted to be able to remove them and clean it up and put them away when I wanted to take it down off my mantle or wherever I'm going to put this. I put it on my mantle for the time being. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry I'm missing so much footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!